sunny afternoon, a group of adventurous children found themselves standing before the enchanted lake, or what used to be one. Now the lake was a dry, cracked basin with not a drop of water inside. Suddenly, a gentle voice filled the air. "Welcome, children," said Luna, a beautiful guardian with shimmering wings and a gown made of moonlight. "I am Luna, the guardian of this lake. Long ago, an ancient curse dried up these magical waters, causing the forest to wither. Only by breaking the curse can we restore the lake and save the forest." The children exchanged determined glances. They had each been given a special power when they entered the magical forest, and now it was time to use them. "We can help," said Mia, who had the power to talk to animals. "What must we do?" Luna smiled. "To break the curse, you must find 3 hidden gums scattered around the forest: the ruby of courage, the sphere of wisdom, and the emerald of kindness. Place them in the altar at the center of the lake." The children set off at once, their hearts full of purpose. Emma, who could fly, soared above the treetops and spotted the ruby of courage nestled in a high cliff. With her encouragement, they climbed together and retrieved it. Next, they sought the sphere of wisdom. Ben, who could talk to trees, asked the oldest oak for guidance. The oak revealed the sphere hidden in a cave guarded by riddles. Using their combined knowledge, the children solved the riddles and claimed the gem. Finally, they searched for the emerald of kindness. They found it in a meadow, protected by a family of magical bees. When Jack, who could communicate with animals, kindly asked for it, the deer willingly gave it to them. With all 3 gums in hand, they rushed back to the lake. Luna guided them to the ancient altar, and they placed the gems in their throats. A brilliant light erupted, and water began to flow once more, filling the lake with sparkling magical waters. "Thank you, brave children," Luna said as the forest began to bloom again. "You have saved the enchanted lake and the entire forest." The children cheered, knowing their friendship and teamwork had made the magic happen. And from